everyone. This is Zelda, TandZRVLife, and we have a new neighbor that has come in, and she's got her first actual camper. And sadly, they didn't tell her a lot of things that were going on with her new camper. I'm not going to show any license plates or anything like that. And I am so excited for her. Say hi.
Hi. Talk about a newbie.
Oh my gosh. But it's actually kind of fun because I remember all the stuff that I went through. Oh man, I was panicked. And she's a brave woman. She is doing this.
I'm doing it.
She's doing this. She got it. She drove it 7 hours. 7 hours? She drove it 7 hours.
Never drove never pulled a trailer before.
Oh my goodness, I'm
with
so proud.
shaky windows, with shaky mirrors.
She's doing great. It's a Coachman, and
it's a Coachman Futura 2000.
So cool, so cool. I'm excited.
I'm very
excited. So I just had to come on. We're just hooking up for the first time. She's hooking up. And
got the electricity
got
going.
Electricity. Now we're going to get our water. And it's so very important that you
hose.
get the white hose.
Yes.
Don't use the other hose.
No.
No. And filters are very important, but, okay, be right back. Hooking up the water. Huh? Yeah.
You sure?
Hopefully, yeah.
Okay, so we want the reducer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Make sure she got washers in them.
Okay.
Get washers in?
Got washers in there.
Show Michael. See, Michael now,
No,
he's
no
the little
There's a
pro.
washer in that one. So that's good.
Hold on.
Right?
You go get a washer.
There's a
No, there's
washer.
not supposed to be a washer on that one. There's a washer. Yeah, you're good. Put that on. You're good.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a washer in this one.
Yeah.
That's the reducer.
Okay,
Yeah, we don't want to blow everything out.
No, we do not. No.
Okay, but he didn't make the hole big enough, so yeah.
It's right
You
here.
gotta put it up and then screw it in up there. Wrong way. If you're gonna do that, put that to your trailer. That other end goes on there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really? Because that was actually on the faucet.
It was switched around the other way then. That part was actually screwed on the faucet then.
And there is a washer.
Yeah.
You got washers.
Yay!
Yay!
Got washers.
Well, then put that one on there. Then you can put that to your trailer.
Okay.
And just let some water run out so you can see it.
Yes. And left is loose, right is tight.
Yep, righty-tighty.
Yep.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah. You're right.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Well, maybe.
You're going to get it. You're going to get it.
Yeah, these are hard to get in. That's why
Yeah.
we need this hose on.
The first time we did this, guys, Tony turned the wrong way, and I shot water all over him.
Oh, no. I'll bet that was funny, though.
Oh, it was hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Still screwing.
Yay!
Want to make sure it's on there all the way, because
Yes.
I don't want to repeat the Tony. You still like me?
Repeating the Tony.
I'll laugh.
Aw.
You still like me?
Of course.
You sure not?
You gotta
one of the
have
haters?
tough skin, man. Okay. Yes! And we have
We
water.
have water.
I know you don't think
And she's gonna get a filter later.
Yeah, I
but
don't
right
have
now.
one
Oh, did you
today.
open your faucet inside?
Oh,
Yeah, you can open the faucet.
Yeah,
up
just
inside.
here.
okay.
Oh, hold on.
Thank you, dear.
You're
No, I didn't open up anything.
Yeah.
inside.
so important that you open up the faucet so that you don't blow the lines in an RV. So I'm gonna open up the faucet, make sure it's good. Da, 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 da. Okay, got the drain outlet over here. See, this is what you have. You have your city water connection, and that's for flushing. So that's amazing. That's good. That's for the other end, the toilet and the poopy, so that you can clean the black tank. Okay, I'm gonna pause here until we check. Oh yeah, it works.
Good.
So you can
So
rinse
you
off your
rinse
feet
off
after
when you go
you
to the
take your beach. You could lay out on the
Also
beach.
for
Wash the
whenever
dog.
washing off the dog. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're in good shape.
Good.
All right.
Good.
Oh, I'm over here looking at your arm
And you
instead
got
of.
a light.
Yeah. Probably just need a battery.
The moon looks so weird up close. It looks like it's actually
Good.
Look at there.
Nice bright one too.
I leave it on, you know, because it's good.
Yeah.
It deters people.
Yes.
Because
She
mine,
got something inside.
we got that. That's a video. We got a video on that too.
Oh my God.
Oh, you got a brand new one. Look at the.
Crap.
Oh, yeah. But that's okay. It's good for now. Good for now. But get, I can't
This is
remember.
what
Cam,
Louise told me to get.
Who?
No, they don't know.
Who?
She
Louise.
has. A,
She
she doesn't know.
She doesn't know. Okay, we're not going to do that. Because on the
That's-
video, yeah.
This
But no,
is
it's-
not gonna be long enough.
Oh.
Really?
No.
Where's your
Okay.
sewer?
Okay, hold on to it.
No, if you got to pull that hard, it's going to come
No.
apart. No.
That's not gonna be long enough.
Okay.
Can you take this
You got
back?
a
Yes.
25-gallon tank or 40-gallon tank.